Sit down. Sit. Today on No Talking. Let's talk about depression. Okay? Depression is a very serious thing. People go through it every day. Now, you can let depression ruin your life. You can let depression affect your stability. You can let depression affect the way you live, the way you can let depression affect everything, your whole entire life. Or you could say, fuck depression, focus on building, focus on thriving, and focus on rehabilitation. Focus on your health, focus on getting better, focus on looking good, focus on your money, focus on saving, focus on budgeting, focus on everything. You can do everything and all in one. But, if you let depression affect what you got going on, you ain't never gonna achieve in life. You're never gonna go forward. You're never gonna do nothing. You're never gonna live a happy life. Happy, stressful life. So, stay away from it. Let it pass. Leave it alone. You hold on to it and you save it. Eventually, it's gonna like burn your pockets. And it's just burn your pockets. It's gonna fall out. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna go away on its own. But if you don't catch it, if you leave it alone, let that depression stay over there. You right here. Let's stay over there. It is the worst thing to have. But it's the most beautiful thing to not let it affect you. People think if I get depressed, I'll get over it. Yeah, you'll get over it. But you won't get over it until like the next day. You won't get over the next thing. You won't get over it on the next thing, on the next thing, on the next thing. You won't get over it. It's going to continue turning and spinning around in circles in a big ass wheel. So leave it alone. Don't let it affect you. Especially with friends and family that's trying to depress you, that's trying to bring you down, that's trying to stress you out. That's what you say to them. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. If you can't help me out, if you can't be there for me, go about your business. Because I might not be winning now. I might not be where I want to be at now. But when I do, and you need my help, you want to borrow something, you want to hold my card, you want to hang out, I'm going to say, hell no. And you going to say, why? Because remember the time I needed you the most, when I was down at my lowest, and I needed you, and you wasn't there for me? So guess what I'm going to do? I'm returning the favor. I'm not going to be there for you. I'm not helping you out. I don't need you. Just like how you acting all bold and cocky, because I'm at my lowest right now, and I needed you, and you wasn't there. So guess what I'm gonna say to you? But life, forever, for the remaining of the year, for the remaining of the whole time we living on this earth, you. And I mean that. I mean that on 100,000. You feel me? I mean that. You. Good luck in your success. Good luck doing everything completely on your own. Because when I was at my lowest, you said, F me. You might not have said it, but you showed it. So as you saying F me, I'm saying F you. You don't like it, do you? Well, guess what? The tables are turned and you don't like it. Go about your little business. So people will depress you. Like I said, I'll say this again. People depress you, family, friends, uncles, nieces, nephews, people at your job and shit like that. But don't let that affect you. Don't let that depression affect you. Don't let it affect your day. Don't let it affect your sleep. Don't let that affect your activities. Don't let it affect your driving. Don't let it affect your whatever you got going on. Don't. It's the worst thing. If you guys never noticed, if you ever seen my old videos in 2021, I was depressed. Whole video. I kept on talking about, I'm sick of this job. I'm tired of this job. I'm about to start doing tattooing. I'm about to, you saw me drive in the car that I was having, that I had. I was talking about this, that. I was talking about a lot. And the whole time I was depressed. I was depressed. I was depressed the way I looked. I was depressed the way I felt inside. I was depressed so bad, so much, I was on depressant medicine. And I thought that was going to make me happy. Man, it didn't do nothing but affect my sleep, my sex life, and affect my weight. I was huge, fat and chubby, unhealthy. I thought it was normal. It wasn't normal at all. And then, so I said, okay, time for a change. I left for 2 years. 2022, 2023, 2024, I left. I came back in 2024, but I left. And I had to reevaluate myself. I had to change everything about myself. The way I think, the way I act, the way I look, the way I feel. I changed all of that. And I'm a whole different new person. Sure, I get angry. Sure, I get frustrated. Sure, I feel like I know everything and I think what's best for me. But I don't really get depressed like I normally do. Because you see me work out. You either see me work out or you see me talking about life. And if I ain't on here doing workout videos or talking about life, I'm doing other things to help that depression. But I'm not letting no one, anyone, anything, nothing affect me to get depressed again. Because if I feel like you keep on depressing me, I'm gonna cut you off. I'm going to cut you off. I'm never going to cut you again. And I mean that. And I mean that. People say, It's alright, just talk to a therapist. Yeah. Pray about it. Yeah. Talk to a pastor. Yeah. Smoke some weed. Yeah. Drink. Yeah. Those are fine and dandy, but that's not really gonna help me. I'm not gonna keep on doing the same thing, repeating the same thing every day. That's not gonna help me clear my depression. There's other things that can clear your depression. Go outside, walk around the block, clear your mind, let the wind blow through your face and your hair, and you having a whole deep conversation out with yourself. I tell people all the time, you'll live a smooth, life. You'll live a smooth life. Clear your mind. Woosah. Meditation works as well. I don't do meditation, but I will sooner or later down the road if I really need it. Absolutely. Definitely would. I'm just glad that I made it another day. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as a grown man. I'm 33. I came a long way, man. I really have. I get depressed, like I said. I said it 1,000 times. I get depressed. I be over shit. I don't want to deal with life. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. But I gotta do it because I have no choice. I have a choice, but I don't want to break that choice. I don't want to break that promise to me. My promise to me is I'm going to succeed this year. It's going to be my year. It's going to be my time. Your time don't matter. My time does. So I'm a winner, not a loser. Winner, not a loser. If you're ready for a change, and you're ready to get your ass up out of that chair, get your ass up out of that motherfucking house, and get out there and do what you gotta do as a grown person. Grown woman, grown man, do what you gotta do. Don't let nothing, anything, anyone, situation affect your life. Keep moving, keep thriving, keep succeeding. 3 things. Keep moving, keep surviving. Keep moving, keep surviving, keep thriving. 3 things. That's all I had to say. I love you guys as always. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, share this video, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. I'll see you guys later.